Hello, everyone. So today I thought I would share with you how to make a Google live stream. This is what we use at Woodridge for the morning announcements. And because we're also starting a media club, I wanted them to know how to use it, but I thought it'd be useful for the teachers to know and to learn and to use because you could use it when you would be out of the building or if you needed to leave this during collaborative planning, to leave some instructions you could, or send it out via your Google Classroom. So to start today, we're going to start on YouTube, and then I'll explain to you a little bit more as we go. So this is YouTube. If you notice in the upper right-hand corner, you can see my picture right up here in this circle. That means that I'm currently logged on to my YouTube account using my PG County email. This is what you are going to want to do if you want to push this out to your students using Google Classroom. So to start your live stream, you're going to go to Upload. And if you notice right here on the right-hand side, there's a few options, but I want you to look at the box that says Live Streaming. This is where you're going to go every time you would create a live stream. Not every time, but the first time you make one. So you're going to click Get Started. And I want you to focus on the right-hand side where it says Live Streaming Checklist. Now you're going to see 4 options underneath. The first thing you need to do is click on the Set Up Encoding software. And if you notice in blue, it'll say Guide to Encoding. If you click on that, it'll open this window. And this is your YouTube help, and it's going to help you set up your live streaming encoder. You're going to pick, this is all the different verified services that can help you. Pick which one is best for Windows or Mac, whichever program or server you're using. I use Open Broadcaster software or OBS. It's free, it's pretty user-friendly, and it works very well. So right here below, it'll once I've downloaded it, it tells me how to do this. So it's going to want you to put in a URL. I can't step-by-step show you this, but if you would like help after you download this, I can do that for you because I've already set this up to stream the morning announcements. So once you've downloaded it, you're going to go into your application encoder software. I said OBS is what I use. So this is OBS. And as you can see right here, it is our start streaming, start recording. So you can do either or. We do start streaming because is what'll link it to YouTube Live. I want you to focus on the sources area because that is the first most important part to enable. I don't know if you remember, but the first day of the announcements, we just had a black screen with audio. It wasn't your computer malfunctioning. That was a myself technical issue. So you need to go into the sources and go into video capture device. And as you can see where it says device, there is two options. I have a blank version, which would be why it was black, and then the FaceTime HD camera. This is on Macs. On PCs, you would use your camera that's on your computer. You would just select built-in camera, and then you'd hit OK. And from here, you can start streaming. Once you're done and you've clicked Start Streaming, which we're not going to do because then I'd be uploading a video of myself screencastifying for you to my YouTube account, you would hit Start Streaming. You would record your message, your lesson, whatever you'd want to share, and then you'd hit Stop Streaming, and you would go back into your YouTube. So when you're in YouTube, on the left-hand side, because you're in your Creator Studio, you're going to go to Video Manager. And you can see on the list, on the left-hand side, it says videos, playlists, and copyright notices. We're not going to worry about that. You're going to look at your videos. And as you can see, these are all the morning announcements. So every time you record a new video, this is where it'll come up. You want to focus on this top video. That'll be the newest video that you've uploaded. If you go to Video Manager right after you've already uploaded it or streamed it, it's going to say processing. What this area is important for is being able to edit your video. So you would click on the edit button. And this is where I edit the title of our announcements. I change the date. You can change it to being unlisted or private. That means that you would have to share the link with your students or the sub, whatever you would need to do, and you're going to hit save changes no matter whenever you make it. What I love about this, you can go into advanced settings. You can change what category it fall in, ratings, language, where it's located, that sort of thing. And then if you go back just to the video, if you go to videos and you click on the video itself, the important part that you're going to need to know to be able to use this video is down underneath where your name is in channel settings. You're going to see add to, share, and more. You're going to click that share arrow, and that'll give you an IP address. You are going to want to copy that and send it to whoever needs to. So if you want to put that in your Google Classroom, you can use that link. If you want to email it like I do with the morning announcements, you would copy and paste that. So here's the short and sweet version of your YouTube Live. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and I hope you get use out of this tool.